Do you want to actually do this?
Oh, you want RTV?
Yeah, we can RTV now.
Alright, let's RTV. This map sucks. Let's get out of here, boys. Oh, we're leaving. Yeah.
Man, this dude is...
Alright, boys, we're going to Ryujin.
Fuck Ryujin. Smells like trash.
Fuck Ryujin.
Shut up, Ryan, before I kiss you in your hot mouth.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
yo, okay, you better keep talking. I want to see that.
Do it.
Sorry, what? Just got here? Sorry, guys, I just got here.
Yeah,
Bro,
me too.
it's crazy. I think your twin brother was on the mic.
That's crazy, dude. I don't know what happened.
Damn, bro.
Listen, it's okay. Ryan's my #1 hater.
Oh, what the?
After Sensei, probably.
All of a sudden.
There's a TP, there's a TP.
My friend. I literally sound like Mato and Mickey Mouse.
I jumped into the TP! I jumped into the TP!
My friend, what are you doing?
Dear blue team, please let me eat your butt seeds.
No, my friend.
Hey,
No.
Fuck.
My friend, my ass is
There are
already...
children here. Don't say that.
Give me your brains. Give me your brains.
Yeah, much better, much more appropriate.
Brains.
There you go.
Let me
I don't fucking hear that from you. You're a water hater. You despise water.
Let me mog on your craniums.
Again, I don't hate water, but
Phantom
hey.
tax.
Bro, no way, he got phantom text.
Yeah, dude.
Let's skip list.
We did it.
Ryujin?
I'll vote Ryujin for you, man, because I love you.
Thanks.
I don't even care what map we get. I just only see Mako. As long as it's not Mako.
Yo, let's all vote F5, and let's play Mako for 3 hours.
Oh my god, Mako
Kill myself.
You guys don't want to play Mako for 3 hours and hate yourself the entire time?
No, I need Mako, my friend.
Ryujin!
There's a TP, there's a TP. There's a TP.
Ryujin, 始まった。新しいメッセージ。
山でごらさい。
Oh, who turned off my subtitles?
I'm sorry, Zero. I'm sorry.
Yo, actually, I got like no HP left, so I'm gonna hide behind this wall and let the other zombies do the work for me.
I think I'm gonna like scorch shot you, buddy. Where are you?
Smell my ball. Chill.
Yeah, you should suck mine. What the hell are you
Listen, I'll admit I contributed to it. I did encourage Among Us into Ryujin. However, I don't want Mako.
Hold up.
My god, it's like a real life zombie. The shit is
Awesome, dude. I'm happy for you.
Please let me eat you. Please. Your brains are so small and predictable.
What the fuck?
Yummy. Yummy.
Yo,
Can we actually get bet this stuff?
can we just take a second to appreciate what Nipple Whiskers said in the chat where he jerks off to
You gotta go to the elevator right now. Look at the timer. It's time to go to the elevator.
Maybe we should take Mako to you.
Well, the server is wild for a Monday fucking night, man.
might be Monday for you guys, but it's Tuesday for me. And I'm at a holiday.
It's Tuesday.
Here's my Tuesday soon, bro. You 14 fucking dog trail coming up. Have you guys heard about the critically acclaimed RPG Final Fantasy 14?
Think you being racist right now?
Yeah, I hate racist. Are you gonna stop me?
I am also
No, but
Tuesday.
I will RTV because I'm extremely racist. So.
Racism? Dude, I know there's casual racism, but where's competitive? I've been waiting for that one.
You want to see competitive racism, bro? Go to fucking any country.
Go to Counter-Strike Source Zombie Escape.
Go to any country below the fucking the equator, bro. You'll meet a bunch of competitive races there.
But do you know that firsthand?
I do know that firsthand, dude.
That's
He's
crazy.
been there. He is the racist. He is the racist.
He is the competitive racist.
Bro, I'm like grandmaster, okay? Don't even challenge me.
Oh,
Grandmaster racism? Damn.
He controls the
So
racism.
I'm kicked out of my country. Don't even fret, dude.
Get back on the way.
Yeah, how did you die?
Get out of the middle, get out of the middle.
The most racist country other than Mexico is probably like Malaysia, man. So you guys better watch out.
Get out of the middle.
Nah, man, Cambodia, that's ridiculous.
On the railing.
Everybody, type in chat. What is the most racist country?
China.
My country fucking did not. It's like he spent like a second to type Cambodia. Well, yeah, that shit on like copy paste.
No, you don't understand. My country is the most racist because I'm in it.
Yeah, but this.
I don't know how that like. I don't know how that equates to the decision, but I agree.
Alright, everyone, kill yourselves, kill yourselves, kill yourselves, kill yourselves, kill yourselves. In game,
Thank
in
you.
game. In game.
I'm going to
I said my bro.
Go, let them win so we go to the next stage of this map.
Alright, Spy, you can fucking F yourself.
You think we made more than one stage?
You better fucking not have
No one
made
knows
one
there's
stage.
more than one stage on this map.
Yeah, there's a truth. You guys in here?
Yeah, I can't wait for Truth to be double the length and it's just the same map but this time dark.
Where the fuck that swing come
Get in the
from?
elevator.
It was me, Barry!
Oh, you fucking scared me. Oh, bye, Spy.
It's fine. I'll protect it.
The spy's gonna cook up something nasty, bro. I guarantee it.
Dude, he's gonna come back with a vendetta. Crazy.
Yeah, he's gonna come back and he's gonna be covered in blood.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Y'all are fucking dead.
Just calming.
Go over for us.
I'm about to blow.
What? Good soap? What do you mean? Why are you being so weird?
It's just so man, are you fucking weird?
Yeah, why are you being so weird about it, dude?
You're crazy for that one. You're crazy for that
That was so fucking weird, man.
Are we crazy or are you crazy?
Crazy ones, crazy ones.
Because you're not. You're not.
I'm never in the reds. That's crazy.
You're so skinny.
I'm so skinny, I don't care if I raise on the Gronk. If you don't know, the girls here.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Oh my god, it's Sephiroth! Quick kill Sephiroth!
Oh my god, it's Daddy Sephi. That rock is hot.
Yeah, okay, relax. That's a fucking Most well-adjusted Skyfall.
Yeah, dude, you've got to be kidding me. What the hell?
Gotta be kidding me, how are you both dying?
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
And then just
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fiat Rizzler.
Eat this Ohio gat.
Ohio cat.
If my computer turns off or I disconnect, it's because I'm compiling another map.
In no freaking way.
I'm gonna, like, much more from now.
That's Sephiroth.
Oh, why are these lasers so big?
Why are these lasers
Only the
so slow? Why is
chosen will
Sephiroth
make
so
the fight.
slow with it, man? Sephiroth is really
So slow.
It's just because you're drunk, Barry. Come on, sober up.
Yeah, wake the fuck up, Samurai.
I literally took 2 fucking shots, bro. That shit tasted like nothing.
Yeah, but you didn't put it back here so that it hits you harder, yeah? You hit water.
I don't hate.
Yeah, you don't want to know what Barry did in 99, dude.
3 shoulders. What?
Look at that, the rocket jump, boys.
Yo, why is Sephiroth helping the dirty blues? He should be on our team.
I'm so glad you did this, fool. What is happening right now?
How are they mixing the lyrics for?
Are they doing 2 minutes of parkour? Or 2 minutes of fucking lasers? What's happening?
This is Rue's idea of fun.
We're just sitting here.
This is mad, man. Don't hate.
We're just sitting here. Yeah, F1.
This is Rue's idea of fun.
Yo, F1, don't let them, he said, don't let them finish. Don't let them finish the match.
You and I both know potato sniper, that's not how that works. These fucking losers are just gonna fucking play it. This is not gonna be our only April Fool's, by the way. This is gonna be on here for months.
Just like Peter Griffin-Berger.
I'm gonna fucking hang myself from the ceiling fan and start spinning. Holy shit.
Oh, what the fuck? Sir, we managed to find the body. The body was next to the computer that said Skibbity Rizzle High on it with the TF2 game open. What do you think we should do here?
He also had an interesting tag called
Open Gary's mod while I'm compiling the map! Oh!
So what we have here is a sociopath.
This man actually left his persona open on his main PC. So, you know what?
I've got my first shootout.
That sounds like
Here's a goon to an
I'm doing, I'm edging, I'm viewing.
Oh my god, you're done.
Why is there so many fucking lasers?
Hey, can we turn off your monitor yet, by the way? I appreciate that, like, this entire thing has just been an awesome delay of a map. Surely the zombies get to play the game after waiting that long. Alright, kill yourself, Will. Vomit blood. Vomit blood.